Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you about this fingerprint or intelligent fingerprint padlock. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so I got this little intelligent fingerprint padlock, and you know, these new gadgets coming out on the market, sometimes you're wondering, can they really work? So let's go ahead and get it out of the box here. Just a little padlock here, and supposedly it's supposed to use your fingerprint to unlock things. So let's go ahead and see. It's got an instruction manual here, and it comes with a USB charging cord. The most important thing that you need to do is fully charge the battery, the lock, before you begin programming. Now, you have to program this thing to accept your fingerprints, and it took me quite a while before this video to figure this out. The instructions that come with it currently are not very good, and frankly actually don't even really talk about what really needs to be done on here. So there's something here that I'm missing. Where did it go? There you go. This was the key. See how that thing got stuck in the box? It didn't come out with it. This is the most important thing you need. It's a little master key pin. If you don't find this, you won't be able to program the lock. The instructions do not tell you this, but underneath this little cover right here is the USB charging port, and right next to it is a little hole, and that's what you're going to need to program the lock. Okay guys, so this thing comes from the factory with, it's not programmed, so any finger that you put on it is going to unlock it like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to actually program it. So remember, underneath this little cover is the USB charging port, and right there is the little hole that you're going to need to put the master key into. And then you need to choose which finger you want to be your master key. This is the most important thing. Some people use their thumb. For me, for this program, it's going to be easier for me to use my index finger here. So what I'm going to do, this is how you program the master finger. Okay, so you press this in, and it goes into blinking pink pretty quickly, and then you press 1, you wait for it to beep, 2, and it beeps and turns blue, 3, 4, 5. Alright, it'll beep long and turn blue, and then it'll go back to flashing again, because the master finger needs to be programmed twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it turns off, the light stops blinking. The master finger is now programmed. We'll open the lock, okay? But another finger will not. It'll just show red, and no other finger will open it, okay? But you know, you don't want to just use one finger. Maybe you get something to scratch on your master finger. You want to program an additional finger just in case for some reason it won't read one finger or the other for whatever reason, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do my, I'll go ahead and do my thumbprint, okay? I have to pick the lock up to do this. So I'll press this in. Alright, it goes into programming mode. You got to put your master finger on. Now it blinks blue. That means it's ready to program a secondary finger. So I'll use my thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now my thumb will open it up. Okay, my thumb will open it, and my master finger will open it. Okay, but still, no other finger will open it. Okay, so now, you might have a wife, or a spouse, or a child, or a kid, or, you know, a friend that might need to have access to this lock. You can program their fingers. I think it holds up to 10 additional fingers aside from the master finger. So you can actually, basically, it's like giving them a key to unlock your lock. Their fingerprint can do it. But you'll need this and this to program each additional finger. You'll have to have the master key. You could use a pen of any kind, but the master finger must be used to program any additional fingers on there. You can't use any secondary fingers to program other fingers to the lock. And that is how it works. So far, it works pretty good for me. I've enjoyed it. It's pretty simple to use once you learn how to program it, and pretty effective. Quite amazing little piece of technology here. You know, no more losing keys. You always got your fingers with you, so you know, that's pretty cool. I don't know how long it's going to last on one charge, but hopefully it would last a couple of years. I'm not sure, you know, exactly how long it lasts, but anyways, it really is a cool little device. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, the products that you see in this video will be underneath the video in the description area. Just click on the show more to go there and see those. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Share my videos on social media. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.